Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to do a quick little like hair tutorial trick kind of thing that I do. I have a secret to tell you guys. I'm bald. When I say bald, I mean bald, but I disguise it. I'm going to show you guys how I do that today. If you're not subscribed to my channel already, take a moment to subscribe. I upload new videos every single week and we're sharing important hair knowledge, and we're also having important conversations and things like that, and also we're building like a relationship and a friendship. So if you want to join us, then subscribe. Anyway, so without further ado, we are going to get into today's video now. My hair's down and it is freaking dirty. I'm going to show you guys how I cover my baldness. So let's talk about my hairline for a second. I'm not truly bald, but this is just how my hairline is genetically. If you can see, same here. Ooh, that side's really bad. I've talked about this before, but sometimes when I do hair tutorial, a lot of people are like, oh my gosh, what happened to your hairline? Oh my gosh, like whatever, you know, pointing it out, and it's like, okay, I get it, okay? I freaking get it, all right? Nothing happened to my hairline. This is just my hairline genetically, and I know that a lot of people are like this. My grandma had this, my dad has this, even though my dad is like completely bald now, but my brother has a hairline like this. We just all have a fucked up hairline. I don't like wearing my hair straight back, but then it's cute, and also when my hair is dirty, it just calls for me to wear my hair straight back sometimes. But also it doesn't always have to be genetic. Sometimes people lose hair around their hairline if they just gave birth, or if you've just done too many weaves, braids, that kind of thing, and throughout your life, and then your hair had just you have traction alopecia here, which is basically when you wear your hair too tight for long periods of time, specifically like braids and that kind of thing, because the hair follicles, the hairs around here are so sensitive. It's not the same. These hairs are not as strong as the hairs like here. So if you wear your hair tight for long periods of time, your hair will fall out at the follicle and it will never grow back, and that's what traction alopecia is. So I'm gonna put my hair in a straight up bun. I've been trying to grow my hair out because, as you guys know, last year I did highlights and I just did too much to my hair back to back, and then at the end of the year last year, I one day decided to dye my hair red, and my hair was red for about 48 hours, and because I hated it. Whatever, it was just a long hot mess. And so basically, and then after I dyed my hair red and did a whole color correction, I tried to bleach the out of my hair, and my hair was like, no bitch, okay? Like, no. So I did a big haircut, I want to say winter of last year. Basically, I've been wearing my hair up a lot because I'm trying to avoid doing it. I'm trying to avoid styling it too much. My hair definitely has turned a corner. It's definitely on the right track, but I just need to leave it alone like for the next year. So with that said, if I ever tweet or post anything or say, oh, I'm gonna get highlights, I give you within the next 6 months, okay? So today's August 19th. If I say that I'm gonna bleach my hair within the next 6 months, I give you permission to send me hate mail, because like I give you permission to virtually slap me like, no, don't do it, leave your hair alone. So basically, we're gonna put our hair up in a bun. So I like it pretty tight up here, but then I like it kind of loose back here because I don't have the best head shape for super tight hairstyles. As you can see, this is what my hairline looks like as is. My secret product, my holy grail, this is the L'Oreal Magic Root Cover Up. Hashtag not sponsored, but L'Oreal, holler at me. I have two colors here. This one is in light brown, this one is in medium brown. My hair was a little bit darker last month or the month before when I initially started using this. So, and I just bought the light brown. I haven't used it yet, so I'm probably gonna spray with this first, and then if this is too light, I'm probably gonna spray with this. The purpose of this product is to cover grays. For those of you ladies out there who have gray hair, it's such a struggle, I know. I mean, I don't have gray hair yet, but I know the struggle just as a hairdresser because of my clients who have gray hair, and they have to come to me like every 2, 3, 4 weeks, and I know how annoying that can be, because for me, it's a struggle for me to even get my nails done, okay? For me to stick to that schedule, as you can see, because my nails are atrocious. You spray this on, and then it covers up your gray. So say you part your hair on the side, you can just cover your root right there until you can stretch it out a little bit until you get your roots done and cover up your grays permanently. And this is my favorite product for covering grays. In order to cover up like baldness and things like that, I like this. And I have tried so many different things, and I did like the other things, but then when I discovered this, I was like, oh my gosh, I'm not going back. I've used just regular makeup. I've used eyeshadow. I've used eyeliner pencil. I've used even hair mascara, just all kinds of things to disguise this this flaw of mine. And this is my favorite thing. I'm gonna use this light brown. I'm just gonna do a tester spray really quick and see how fine that mist is. It's so fine. Look at this before and look at this after. I suggest also like kind of spraying the rest of your hair-ish, just so that way it blends a little bit more, and then just brush it out to perfect it, and then that's all she wrote. And then I like my little baby hairs here. By the way, if you have beautiful baby hairs, you are so blessed. I mean, I have struggle baby hairs. Well, I just have an obsession with hairlines and baby hair. I just love features. Like there are little things about people that people don't notice, and I'll tell them like, oh my gosh, you have beautiful, like a really good hairline, or else you have good bone structure, or you have good, like, there'll be like just weird things that I like about people. They're like, what? Nobody's ever said that. Like, oh my gosh, I love that dimple. Oh my gosh, I love this. Like, I love your nose. I love, you know, just like weird things like that. But I mean, it just comes with the territory of cosmetology, because we study beauty and faces and head shapes and like just things like that. Like, I love a good head shape. I don't know, but I'm going on a tangent now. But basically, that's how I cover my bald spots. That is it for this video. If you liked this video, then please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already, subscribe to my channel. It's free. You're getting free hair knowledge, free friendship. Follow me on Instagram at Brittney Gray, as well as Twitter at Brittney Gray. And I do have a hair group on Facebook. It's called Hair Culture, but I will leave the links to everything down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and then you guys will see me in my next video. Bye.